This video, we're going to talk about 8.2 Objective 4, where we find angles within a range whose trigonometric values are given. So we're looking at between 0 and 360 degrees, the first revolution. Our sine value is negative, so the calculator is going to return this negative angle down here, but I'm not going to want a negative angle. We'll deal with that in a second, but let's first find this first answer to the problem. When I find arc sine of negative 0.8496. We do want an answer back in degrees, so we are in degree mode. And this is a negative 58.17 degrees. So the first thing that I want to do to that is add 360 degrees to it. So I get something coterminal with it. Say if I go all the way around here, this is going to be 301.83 degrees. So that's one of my answers. That's the bigger answer. So now I need to look at where else is sine negative, and it's also negative in quadrant 3. So I need to have the same reference angle of 58.17. So I need 180 plus 58.17 is going to give me, this angle is going to be 238.17. This angle is going to give me 301.83. So there's my two answers. I don't think I have enough room to write them both in the box there. We're again going to be on the first revolution here. We want cosine to be positive, so we're in quadrants 1 or 4. Our cosine of 0.7035 is 45.29. And then second answer is going to be 360 minus 45.29. And that's going to be 314.71. Question 3. Cotangent is negative, so we're in quadrants 2 or 4. This means tangent is equal to negative 1 over 0.558. So theta is equal to arctangent of negative 1 over 0.558. Tangent of negative 1 over 0.558. It's going to give me a negative angle of negative 60.84. Remember, we don't use negative angles. I'm going to add 360 to that. That's going to be, my bigger angle is going to be 299.16. Notice that these are on the same line. They're 180 degrees away from one another. So I'm going to subtract 180 degrees from that to get my smaller angle. I'm going to get 119.16. I'm told tangent is negative and cosine is positive, so I'm forced to be in quadrant 4. There's only one answer here. And let's find this angle. Still between 0 and 360 degrees. So arctangent of negative 1.418. It's going to return a negative angle, and I'm going to add 360 to that. And this is going to be 305.19. That's the only answer. I had negative 54.81, but I wanted to go this way and get a positive answer of 305.19. All right, cosine is negative and tangent is positive. So I'm down here. Second arc cosine of negative 0.38. So it's going to tell me 112. It's going to tell me this angle in quadrant 2. I want to be in quadrant 3. I need to find the reference angle. So 180 minus that answer is going to give me that this reference angle is 67.67. And I need 180 plus that answer is going to give me an angle between 0 and 360 of 247.67. We have a negative cosecant, so we're in quadrant 3 or 4, and cosine is positive, so we're definitely in quadrant 4 down here. So sine of theta is negative 1 over 3.735. So arc sine of negative 1 over 3.735. And that gives me a negative 15.53. So 360 plus that gives me 344.47. I have one more here. Secant is positive, so I'm over here in 1 or 4. Cotangent is negative, so I'm in quadrant 4. And that means cosine of theta equals 1 over 3.246. Second, our cosine 1 over 3.246. My reference angle from quadrant 1 is going to be 72.06. This is really a negative angle here. I've gone down. This was negative 72.06. I need to add 360 degrees to that to come around this way and get 287.94. Around to the nearest degree, 288. And this one says nearest degree, so that's 344. Got 2 decimal places there. And I know it says don't include the degree symbol, but I'm writing it since it's not part of the answer there. And round to the nearest degree is needed. So this is 119 and 299. 2 decimal places, 45.29, 314.71, and 238.17, and 301.83. All right, that's it for this video. We'll come back next time and talk about 8.2 Objective 5. See you for the next video.